Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue learning JavaScript. In this video we will learn about the difference between var, let and const. Let's create these variables. This video it's very important to understand the difference between these variables to write in better code. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what variables are. Variables store data that we can use later in our programs. In JavaScript we can create variables using var, let and const. Let's start it with var. Create number like 20. Var is the old way of create variables. It has function scope, which means it is available inside the function where it is declared. It also has feature called Hoisting. Let's create example. Create some function. We can name func. And create new var. We can name a and add number. Let's try to call our variable using console log and also call here. Let's open the window, but first we need to call our function. Like you see, we didn't get any mistakes. We get undefined. If we're using let, we get mistake error because var has hosting. And in this example we see like hosting works, which means it is moved to the top of the function. That's why the first console log prints undefined inside of error. Okay, next let's familiar with let. Let was introduced in 6. It has block scope, which means it is only available inside the block where it is declared. It doesn't not have hosting like var. Let's create some example. We can create another function. We can name let func and create let. We can create b and add number and using console log our b and also call our function using name and call. Okay, I forgot to print our variable. Okay, like you see, it works the same, but if I using print before I initialize our variable, we'll get error because let doesn't have hosting. In this example, it's only available inside the block. Let's create a new block to look at it. We can using if true, and let's open the window. Like you see, we don't like you see, our variables is not available. But if we do the same here, var works because these two variables have different scope. Var has functionality, let and const have block model. Okay, and the end we can family with const. Const was also introduced in ES6. It has block scope like let and does not have hosting like var. The difference is const is used for constants, which means the value cannot be changed after it's set. Let's create new function. We can copy this tag, this code, and we need to change name and change variable. We'll be using const. Like you see, this const works like let, and if we add block like if conditions, we get mistakes, but different between const and let, we don't can change this variable. Let's first to change our let. This is our let, and let's to change value. We can using our variable and create new value, add text. Like you see, we can change our variable, but if we will do the same with const, we'll get a mistake. Let's try. Write new const value. Like you see, we get only mistake because we don't can change our const. But we have one exception. When we using array, we can change value inside array. Let's try. Like you see, we have only one element, but if I change this array, it will be work because we don't change variable, we change global object. And it also works when we're using object. let's try. We can create age and 21 and also create color. But first we open the window. Like you see, it's work, but if we create new property like color, it also works because we can change data inside object and array. Okay, so now you know the difference between varlet and const. Use this visual to write better and clean code. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and leave a comment. Check out my other videos for more web development tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.